One of the most important skills that you can bring to an online class is being able to manage your time well. And one of the best things you can do to manage your time well is to have a calendar where you've scheduled out what you're doing when. By scheduling out what you're doing when, you will be able to create blocks of time for taking care of those things which need to be taken care of. It'll allow you to see pretty clearly what you're doing with your week and when you're doing it. So if you got work commitments, family commitments, other class commitments, you want to make sure you schedule that all into your calendar so that you have a game plan for how you're going to spend your time each week, and so that you won't find yourself at the end of the week going, man, I didn't get the things I wanted to have done. I didn't get them done. So a calendar is going to help you get those things done, and it's going to help you manage your time more effectively. This is an amazing tool right here. This is Google Calendar. You can see my calendar here where I've got blocks of time set in to do different things. And you can create this calendar for yourself also online, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to start Internet Explorer because right now I'm in Google Chrome. And I'm going to log out of this Google account. And I'm going to log in with my school account. And if you don't have a Google account, just go sign up for it. And then inside of Google, you have this link right here for calendar. So click on that link for calendar, and it brings you into a calendar section where you could start to make entries. And so already you see here I have an entry for 1:30 to 3:20 CIT 12. Well, let's say I wanted to create some time for my online class, and I've talked with my family members, my parents, my husband or my wife, depending upon if that's my situation, and even my kids. It's good to sit down with all of your family and say, look, I need to schedule time to work on this class, to work on my school, to get my education so that I can make more money, and we'll all be happier, and I'll be able to work less and make more, and it'll be good for all of us in the long run. But to do that, I need to schedule that time in each week. What's the best time, do you think, for me to work on that for our whole family? Or if you don't need to have that conversation with people in your life, if you're young and single and living on your own, just drop right into Google Calendar and pick some times for your online class. So for instance, maybe I might decide, okay, I'm going to work on my online class. Here I'm in school till 3:20. I could get home by, let's say, 4. So I'm going to work on my online class. I'm going to put that in. And I'm going to work on it from 4 to, and I'm going to click Edit Event. And I'm going to say, well, I'll give myself till 7, 4 to 7, and that's going to be on that date right there, 8/20/13. But I'm going to click this repeat button right there. I'm going to work on it Tuesday and Thursday, and I'm going to do that. When is that going to end? I'm going to do that. It's going to end on all the way through the end of the semester, whatever the end of the semester might be for whatever semester you're in, because it might be different from when I'm making this video. I'm going to click right there for when that ends. So this is going to repeat weekly. It's going to repeat weekly Tuesday and Thursday until December 13th, 2013. And it's going to go from 4 to 7 p.m. I'll make the color red. I'm going to get rid of the reminders here. These are the reminders. I don't need reminders. I'll just look at my calendar every day to see what I'm doing. And I'm going to click Save. And that starts on 8/20. I'll actually have that start today. We're on the 16th. Save. And so now you can see here I'm in the week of August 18th through 24th, and I can see I'm working on my online class. That's when I work on my online class. If somebody asks me, you want to go do something? I'll be like, that's when I work on my online class. I could meet you somewhere at 7:30, but until 7, I'm working on my online class. So that's the kind of self-discipline and structure you need to take an online class well. I just went to the day view. So I could go back to the week view, and I could even go to the month view right there. And in the month view, you can see there's August. Here is September. I click in September, and you can see, right, here's my calendar. And every Tuesday and Thursday at 4 o'clock, I start working on that online class. And so it's a really helpful tool. I could go back to the week view again to see it in this view. So Google Calendar is a great free tool. All you got to do is sign up for a Google account. If you don't already have a Google account, super easy to sign up for it. Make sure you sign up for it because Google is the most amazing tech company in the world right now. They have the best email, so you absolutely want to make sure you're using Gmail. And they have this great, great, great free tool of Google Calendar so that you could create a calendar and, you know, be able to schedule your life so that you're using your time effectively and well. All right, that's Google Calendar, that's scheduling your time, and that's time management. It's a super important skill for being a successful online student. You want to make sure that you set time aside every week to work on your online class.